Welcome to the rear entrance of Commons West. We're looking south toward the Green Street bus station and the Tompkins County Public Library. This is City Hall, and as we continue on, you'll see the Commons West freight elevator, the rear entrance of the building, and the front door of apartment 101, which is what we're here today to see. Commons West 101 is a ground floor studio with a private street level entrance. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll see that this studio comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a full-size bed, a dresser, a bookshelf, and a desk and desk chair. The kitchen directly faces the living area and is fully loaded with a refrigerator, a dishwasher, a microwave, and an electric oven and range. Every studio comes with air conditioning and a heating element. Heading on down the hallway, come to your closet. Nice large closet, plenty of storage space. And on into the bathroom. Spacious bathroom with a shower stall and a vanity with 3-part medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 101. Call us today for availability.